this. This says, solve the following exponential equation. Look at all this. How do you solve this kind of questions? Let's see. This is the first one. We are going to say this guy is equals to, say, A. So we're going to say let A be equal to 5 raised to power x. So this means that we have now A raised to the power of 2 minus 26A plus 25 equals to 0. Understand? Have we done this? Which two numbers? Okay? If you multiply them, you have 25. If you add them or subtract them, you have minus 26. So I can see in this place, minus 25 multiplied by minus 1 will give me 25. Minus 25 minus 1 will give you minus 26. Therefore, I can replace this guy by minus 25A minus 1A. And you agree with me that is A plus 25 equals to 0. You will agree with me by this now. I can say A minus 25. I'm going to also produce this one on the other side by saying A minus 25 equals to 0. What should I put here now to have this back? You agree with me is minus 1. So minus 1 times this will give me this. Minus 1 multiplied by these two will give me this. Therefore, this guy, A minus 1, A minus 25 is equals to 0. I can therefore say A minus 1, this is equals to 0, or A minus 25 is equals to 0. What is A? A is what? 5x. So, if A is equals to 1, it's equals to 1. Okay? What is the meaning of 1? 1 could be this guy raised to power 0 is 1. This house raised to power 0 is 1. So I can also say 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, x is equals to 0 because the bases are equal now. That is the first part of it. Or, if you look at this, A is equals to 25. What is A? A is 5 raised to power s equals to 25. That is 5 raised to power 2. So s, therefore, is equals to 2. Okay? In summary, s is equals to 0 or 2. Hope you understand this. The first question. Let's go for the second one now. Look at this. What is the meaning of this? This can also be expressed like this. 2x multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 minus 26. 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Let's say what? 5x is equals to k. So let this equals to this. Therefore, here alone, this place, if k is taking the place of 5s, what will be remaining here will be 2 multiplied by 5. Remember, this is 5 minus 26k plus 5 equals to 0. Okay? So this simply means 5k raised to power 2 minus 26k plus 5. If you work on this now, you're going to have 5k minus 1, k minus 5, all equals to 0. If you work on this now. Okay? You can work on this. Therefore, 5k is equals to 1, or k is equals to 5, which is k is equals to 1 over 5, k equals to 5. Let's go up. What is k? K was equals to 5 raised to power x. Okay, or this now means 5 raised to power minus 1, or okay, raised to power 1, because this is raised to power 1, raised to power 1, raised to power 1. X therefore is equal to 1, that is minus 1, as you can see in this place. Or x equals to 1 because of this and this. So x therefore is equals to minus 1 or 1. Hope you understand this. Let's look at this now. We are going to replace this 3x, 3 raised to power s. Let's choose another letter. Let's say p. So p here is equals to 2. Let's say let 3 raised to power s equals to p. So p raised to power 2 plus 2p minus 3 equals to 0. If you work on this now, you have minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0. With this now, we can say p is equals to 1 or p is equals to minus 3. What is p? P is 3 raised to power s equals to 1, or here 3 raised to power s equals to minus 3. Here we have this. You agree with me? Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we can do it like this. Therefore, here alone, we say s is equals to 0. This is equals to minus 3. We can't move beyond this, because there's no way we can simplify beyond this what? Level. Now let's work on this. What should I do here? I can see something very familiar here. Multiply by 2. Okay. This means 2x multiplied by 2, 180. So let p equals to 2 raised to power x. Therefore, here I can say p raised to power 2. Here 2. P multiplied by 2 minus 8 equals to 0. So p raised to power 2 plus 2p minus 8 is equals to 0. If you work on this now, you have okay. Therefore, p is equals to, or p equals to minus 4. So what is p? P is what? This, then put 2 again, okay? Or minus 4. Here, you agree with me, this is raised to power 1. So s here is equals to 1. What about this? We can't go beyond this. So we can simply say here now, no solution. So the only possible solution is this guy. Look at this. How do you work on this? 3 raised to power 2s minus 9 equals to 0. Here, we can move this to this side first. Okay? This means, if you work on the power now, that is 2s equals to 2. Therefore, if you divide both sides by 2, we have s is equals to 1. So you can see in this place. This is what straightforward. Please, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Just drop the question in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for viewing.